Words from the wise, from your boy JP. Pay attention to the boards when you hear in the airport. I walked a long way for no reason, and then come to find out, I walked right past my gate, like it was right next to where my connector boy dropped me off at. So that's crazy. Pay attention. Words from the wise. Loading this boy up. Next stop.
You gotta get what you
For the platter, baby. Sir. I thought y'all was messing with that Brugal. If you hear some talking like that, you already know you about to go somewhere with some cold pieces.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Turn the corner and dip out.
Damas y caballeros, bienvenidos al aeropuerto internacional de la ciudad de Puerto Plata, República Dominicana.
Garden Condos, Sosua, Dominican Republic. Upon entry, a little dated. It's okay, a little warm in here, but I'm quite sure they ain't had an air on because with nobody in here. Nice big refrigerator, stove, microwave, the essentials, what you need. Table, like I said, a little old. It's all right. Wicker furniture old. The couch looks a little like it could have used some more protector on it or something. Cleaned up. Small TV, but it get done. We got a balcony out here. It's not really looking at nothing, but that's cool because that way you duck off on the side, so you don't have all your business just out there on display. You got this one, a little door pass through, whatever, right here, window. But you know, you ain't going out that way. But a little bathroom right here. It's all right. Like I say, it's pretty cool. It's just, like I say, a little dated. It's a little dated, but I guess you expect that because I think I only paid, I don't know, it wasn't that much for this at all. But the air is cold. Got a nice good big mirror, big king bed. Nice mirrors, king bed. All right, like I say, it'll do, it'll get the job done, it'll do. It's not really the JP way standard, but it will do. It will do. Will do.